Y'all, I'm in the kitchen today with my friend Susan Mason. She just is a fabulous cook and caterer here in town. And I'm gonna be making a little strawberry tiramisu. I have just squeezed a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice into this bowl. And I'm gonna take a carton of mascarpone cheese.
Love mascarpone.
I do too. And
You just can't have tiramisu without mascarpone cheese.
now Susan is down here filling these little tart shells, and I love using these, Susan.
I do too.
You can find them in the freezer department near your pie shells in your grocery store. And she's just spooning about a half a teaspoon
Of strawberry jam into the bottom of these tart shells, y'all.
I'm gonna put in about a fourth of a cup of lemonade. Now you can use the limoncello.
Oh, I love limoncello.
But if you're serving children,
Right.
might want to stay away from the alcohol. So I'm gonna substitute this with my lemonade. And I'm gonna just beat that together.
You know what tiramisu means?
I can't remember.
When I was in Italy, they said it meant pick me up. Like, you know,
Yes,
you would
pick me
have
up,
Pick
yes.
me up.
This'll pick y'all up, I guarantee it. All right, so I've got that pretty creamy. Now I've gotten some fresh whipped cream over here. I think I started with like a cup and 3/4 of fresh cream, along with a fourth of a cup of powdered sugar, and I've whipped that. Now all I'm gonna do is just fold these together, and then we're gonna put a little dollop of this on top of the little tart shells that's holding our strawberry preserve. So here we go.
Do you want me to just put one strawberry in it?
I think one strawberry
I
is
do
just
too.
beautiful,
I do
don't
too.
you? There we go. Now how
Wow.
quick is that?
That is so
And
beautiful.
how beautiful.
Beautiful. This is so beautiful. I hate to mess it up.
I know it, but
Mmm.
oh my
That's
goodness.
the perfect ending to a meal. That is delicious.
And you almost feel like you're eating fairly light because these little crusts are like air. They can't be that bad
No,
for
it
you.
can't be that bad for you. All right, I have a little gift for you because I know that you really love your grandmother's spatula,
Yes, I do.
and I've seen you use it.
I do.
But my daughter thought you needed something a little glitzy, and my daughter Christine made this for you. And
No,
you just
she
pull it out like
didn't.
that.
Look at this beautiful bag. You have the best taste.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my gosh! Look, Susan, I love it. Until next time, y'all, happy catering.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.